Congratulations on winning the award for FM Organization of the Year. What does this recognition mean to you, sir?
Okay, firstly, thanks a lot. It means a lot to be recognized for this particular award. And in our organization, we've done a lot in terms of the facilities management, upgrading the services from where we were about 10 years back and where we are today. Whether it is mechanization, automation, implementing AI, implementing IoT related stuff. I think it's a long journey, and we are happy to have received this award. Thank you once again for this.
Great, sir. Sir, can you let us know about how is the facility management sector adapting to the increasing demand for sustainability and green building practices? Can you share an example of a successful implementation you have been involved in?
Sure. So I think sustainability in facilities management is taking a big role actually, and most of the organizations are making a lot of effort to attain sustainability in this particular function. Quickly, if I have to give you two examples, we have recently worked on a couple of certifications. So, for example, we are a net zero from waste to landfill. We are a net zero on energy management, right? We are also IGBC LEED certified building. We are also IGBC building wellness certified building, and all these are platinum. So definitely, I think most organizations are doing, but there's a lot more effort that we need to make and reduce our carbon footprints. And FM plays a very important role because in any infrastructure, electricity is one of the majorly consumed utility. And I think that makes a lot of difference because still in our country, electricity is produced through thermal, through coal. So I think there's a lot that we can still do. But yes, we have taken a lot of steps and we'll continue doing that. Thank you.
Great, sir. You had an amazing, interesting panel inside there. What do you feel of a forum like this, and how does this help the industry?
So I think when I attended Business World's first event, I was quite impressed the way they organize this event, especially the panel discussions that they have, the knowledge partners that they engage with, makes a lot of sense for us doing. There are very few events that people like me actually attend now because most of these events are not really that knowledge sharing. But I feel in Business World event, there's a lot of knowledge sharing that happens. And the topics are discussed with the relevant industry veterans, and then they come up with these kind of topics. So it's a very good event that I've seen.
Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.